So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Maths with Aditya. So today we are going to start with class 10 chapter quadratic equation. So in this video today I am going to say you about the introductive part of the quadratic equation. Introduction of the quadratic equation. How to solve the quadratic equation with formula, that is discriminant formula or the general formula, or without formula, that is the factorization method. So let's start our video. First of all, what is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation. The variable which has the highest power. Highest power 2. The variable which has the highest power 2 is known as the quadratic equation. For example, x square, y square, m square. So this is the example of quadratic equation. So we can write a quadratic equation as 6x square plus 7x plus 9 equal to 0, or 6x square minus 10x plus 5 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. How to write the quadratic equation? So we will solve quadratic equation in factorization method. Okay, so we will start with the factorization method in quadratic equation. So the factorization method. So basically we need to factor the given equation in two parts. How to see? Let's see how we do it. 2x square plus 2x plus 1 is the equation. Okay, this is the equation. We need to factor this. So x square, we need to split this middle term. So x plus 1. So x square, x is common out. So x is common out from this. So x plus 1 first, and from here 1 is common out. So plus 1. So x plus 1. So this is the part. So x plus 1 is 1. Another will be x plus 1. So this is the factorization method. Let's see another example. Let's see another example, that is x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0 is also a correct form of quadratic equation. So x square, let's split this term, plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. So next, x is common out from here. So x plus 2, and 2 is common out from here. X plus 2. So x plus 2 and x plus 2 is the quadratic equation. So this is known as the factorization method. So next, I am going to tell you about the general formula of the quadratic equation. So let's see what is the general formula of the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the general formula of the quadratic equation of a given quadratic equation, where a, b and c, a, b and c are constant term, and x square will not be equal to 0. Why? Because if x squared is equal to 0, then it will become linear equation. Then it will become linear equation. So we need to remember that x square should not be equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then it will be a linear equation. Okay. So this is the basic general formula of the quadratic equation. So let's see what is the discriminant formula. Next part. Discriminant formula. So let's see the discriminant formula, that is minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the basic discriminant formula which we going to learn in this chapter. So this is the basic discriminant formula, and for this b square there are 3 conditions for b square. So let's see what are the 3 conditions. First condition, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the this whole root will have 2 real values. Okay, then this whole root will have 2 real values. So next, b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then it will not have any value. So if it is less than 0, then it will not have value, like minus 1 or minus 2 or minus 3. Okay. So next and the last property of the b square minus 4ac is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Then it will have 2 distinct roots. Okay. So it will have two real distinct roots. So these are the 3 conditions for b square minus 4ac. These are the basic conditions that we need to learn in this chapter for this discriminant formula. Okay. So we can take an example. If this is the equation x squared plus 2x plus 5. If let's see that if it is going with factorization method or not. First of all, we need to see x squared plus x plus x. So if it is not going with factorization method, because if x is common, so x plus 1, and if 1 is common, then it will x plus 5. So x plus 1 and x plus 5 is not related to anything, so we need to solve it with discriminant formula. So what is that? D equal to b squared minus 4ac. This is the formula. So we need to put b. So we think that a, b and c. So a is 1, b is 2 and c is 5. So b square means 4 minus 4 into 1 into 5. That is 4 minus 20. That is minus 16. So minus 16. So let's put in this formula. So let's put in this formula minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So let's put the value, all the values of b, c and a. So minus b means minus 2 plus minus root over b square, that is minus 16, root over minus 16 divided by 2a means 1. So to 1. So minus 2 plus minus root over 16 minus 16 divided by 2. This is the answer. So we write it as minus 2 plus root over minus 16 by 2, and another is minus 2 minus root over 16 minus 16 upon 2. These are the discriminant formula answer. So in this way we need to solve the discriminant formula question and the factorization method. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. And in the next video I will teach you how to get this formula from ax squared plus bx plus c, okay, equal to 0. So I will teach you how to get the formula of discriminant formula with the help of general formula. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.